Did you know thumbnails are the first thing people see when they see your video? It actually tell them what is in the video. So when you don't create very cool thumbnails, people will be clicking on your videos and you might not be gaining views and all. So, and other times too, people do create some thumbnails which are not really telling people what's really in the video. And you might see a thumbnail which you might not see that same scene or picture of the thumbnail in the video. Sometimes they call it clickbait, but I would urge y'all not to do that, because when people see something which is not really in the video, they will be very pissed and they might not be able to subscribe to your channel, or they wouldn't watch your videos any longer. So I'm going to show you step by step how I create my thumbnails and then where I create them, so that you'll be able to do it both on your phone and on your laptop. So don't skip this video, or don't leave this video. Just watch till the end so that you'll be able to learn how you can create very cool thumbnails when you create a video on YouTube. So I'm going to go to my computer now and show you step by step how I do this. Okay, so I'm on the PC now, and I'm actually going to show you what thumbnails are first before I'll show you where I create them and then how I'm going to create them. So I'm going to create just a single thumbnail for you guys on my PC right now. So when I'm done, I'm going to go to my phone and then show you how I do that on my phone too, and then we are going to be done here. So first of all, this is what we call thumbnails. You see the pictures here. This is a thumbnail, 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 and when you click on the video like this, edit, you see the thumbnail. So you're trying to tell people, you see, this is how this is the title of the video: gain views with this strategy, external traffic source strategy. And then look at the thumbnail here. Yes, this worked. So it's actually telling you what the video contains and how the video worked for me. You get it? So this is where we create thumbnails. You're gonna create a thumbnail here. You get me? So you can change the thumbnail right here. So that is what we call thumbnail. And then when you go to the homepage of YouTube, this is actually what we call thumbnails. So you see this, you see this. You might not see this same thing in the video when you click them, but you might see them as the interface. So you see this, you see this one too. So that is what we call thumbnail. So first of all, I'm gonna go to google.com and then show you where I create these thumbnails. So I go to Google and then I type in Canva. And you must be sure of what you are typing in, because if you don't type in well, they would send you to a site where the languages are not English or something you might understand. So you go to login and then you log in with your Gmail account as usual, the Gmail account. And here is it. I'm gonna log in. It's very simple. You can create a thumbnail in less than 1 minute when you are very cool with this site. So you can click here and then, or maybe click here instead. So you see YouTube thumbnail. You can just hit on that, and it will give you numerous of templates which you prefer to use. You can just use them, or you would want to create your own template or something. So I'm going to use this as an example, and then maybe create my own stuff from here. So you see this one, maybe what you are talking about is maybe you want to sell a laptop, or maybe how to get how to get a decal for your laptop. That's what I'm actually going to use. So let's say you want to tell people how to get a decal for your laptop, and or how to wrap a decal around your laptop, and maybe you want to use this as your thumbnail. You can just choose to edit this side of it. So you can just click here and then delete. You get it? So you click on it like this, and then you go to your photos here, upload. Are you seeing it here? Upload. Or let's see, I think I uploaded this already. So let's see if it's not there, then we go to, or if something like this, you can check here if maybe you have a decal here, because they give you a suggestion of photos too. So you can check here if you have a decal here. If you don't have, then you go to your upload session or upload side, and then you can click here to upload a picture you have from your PC, right? Or I already uploaded it here, so I can just click on this and then maybe bring it here and start doing my editing stuff. So you see, this is it. So I want to tell people how they can wrap a decal on their laptop, and there's a laptop with a decal on it. Actually, my laptop I'm using, my MacBook I'm using. So you see, this is it, and then you just drag it here. So you can choose to drag it all around like this, but I'm just going to leave it here like this. And then you want to edit this, so you click on this side of it, and then you click here, you start typing maybe how to rapidly how to wrap your laptop or something, how to wrap your MacBook. Right, so you can change the fonts if you want to. You can change the fonts if it's not really something you want, or it's not really nice or something. You can just change the font, you see, so the font can keep on changing if you feel, so you get whatever you want to use. I get in it. So you can just change the fonts, right? So that is how we do it here. And then when you finish, when you are done, you can also change the background of this one. Maybe it's not really something you are liking, so you can change it to maybe white to make it blend, and then you click on this side where you wrote the stuffs, and then maybe change it to black. Are you seeing it? So when you're done, you just click here like this. You see it here, and then maybe you can bold it a bit. I get in it. You see, so you see it's a good work now. You see, so people are going to see it like this, and when you're done, you just download it. I'm trying to keep this very short so that it wouldn't be very long and boring. So you see, I've just been able to create a thumbnail right now, and then I delete it. It's almost done. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it right now like this, and it's gonna pop up, and then we are cool. We have our thumbnail. You see, so that is it now. So if maybe I had created a video like how to wrap your MacBook, and then they see it like this, people would see, say, oh, so this is how to wrap your MacBook, and then this is what they are going to see in the video. Maybe it might be the end product or something, so it will tell them to click it, and then they would watch it, and they are expecting to see something just like this. I get it. So this is what we call thumbnail. So I'm actually done with the PC side of it, and I'm going to go to my phone and then show you how I do that on my phone too. So I'm on the phone right now, and this is how I do it on my phone too. So first of all, you're going to go to your store, right? And then you type in Canva, because it's actually going to be seen here too. So Canva, right? You see, I've installed it on my phone. And most times too, I create my thumbnails with my phone. I don't create it on my PC. I create it with my phone because it has already given me the dimensions, and I have a lot of pictures on my phone. So if I want to use any picture on my phone, I just go to Canva, and then I just insert them, and then I edit them, and then I get my cool thumbnail and I insert it in my video. So if this is Canva, and then you download it, and then this is how the videos actually, the thumbnails on the phone actually display. So you see, this is a thumbnail. You see, these are thumbnails. You see, this one is a thumbnail. You will not see these writings in the video. You wouldn't see 605,000 in the video, but it's a thumbnail. You see thumbnail, no crying, and all. So these are how this is how we do it. So let's go, and then I show you how we're gonna do it. So let's go to Canva right now. And it's gonna give me the same templates that I saw on the PC. So you scroll till you see YouTube thumbnail. So you see right here, YouTube thumbnail. I'm gonna click on it, and maybe I'm gonna choose this one. And let's say I wanna edit it and say maybe I wanna get you. Let's see, so that I see the option they're gonna give me. So I click on it, and I want to change this picture right here. So it's different from the PC, and it's different from how they do it. So you're gonna click on replace down here. You can click on replace down here, and then it will give you an option. Maybe I want to talk about food, so let me click on food, and they're going to give me options, right? So you see, let's say apple or something. So I'll say apple, and I click on that one, and it pops up here. I can adjust it a bit, and then I click this side, and then let's say I type in how to slice apples. You get it? So when I'm done right here, I can just choose to change the picture of the background picture. Maybe I change it to this. It's a bit more catchy. And then I can change this picture to, I can change it to maybe black. It's a bit more catchy. So you see how it is. So how to slice apples, and then people are actually going to see these are apples, and then they mean you're at the end of it, they're going to see how maybe apples are being sliced and all. You get it? So when you're done like this, you just click on this. You can either save it or download it. So I mostly download it, so I click on download, to download it and save it. You click on no, so it's done saving. We can go to our gallery and then we will actually see it there. So you see it here, Canva. So you see it. These are the how do you call it, thumbnails I've created with Canva. So you see, this is it. And then when you want to insert it in your video, what you have to do is you first have to get a YouTube studio. I don't know if I'm actually going to do a tutorial of how you can use that and how you can use that to read analytics, but what you have to do is you need to get a YouTube studio on your phone. So YouTube studio is what you have to get on your phone before you'll be able to insert the thumbnail in your video, or else you might be ending up trying to send it to your PC before you put it there. So you have to get YouTube Studio, and then you just click on the YouTube Studio like this, and then go to the video. Maybe I want to use this video, but I'm not going to change the thumbnail though. So I click on it like this, the pen over there, you see edit thumbnail, and then you can click on change, and it will take you to your first picture or something, and then you just click on it. You see how to slice apples, and when I click on select, it's actually going to click on it and then save, and then I'll be able to make it display like this on my video. So this is going to tell people the first thing they see when they see this video, and they're going to be liking it, and if they like it, they will just click on it and then say, oh, okay, this guy is really telling us something, and then they'll be compelled to watch everything. So don't forget to keep thumbnails on your videos when you upload them, else people are not going to watch your videos, or they're not going to click on your videos. So I thank you for being there with Titbits. I thank you for having your time and listening to me. Catch you in the next one.